Transcriber's World. Disclaimer. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel are for informational and educational purposes only. Please use this as a reference. Every piece of information in this channel does not guarantee that you will pass the test. It is only a guide that can help you become a better transcriber. Gotranscript multiple choice questions. The keyword here is the word spells. Search spells on the Gotranscript guidelines. If you cannot identify who exactly is speaking, add a question mark before the speaker label. The keyword here is pronounce. Search pronounce on Gotranscript guidelines. Don't forget to subscribe and be updated with our latest videos. Are is a linking verb. This is the correct answer. The letter A and C is the correct answer. Check the Gotranscript guidelines. Only these forms are used for the affirmative and negative. Don't forget to subscribe and be updated with our latest videos. The keyword here is longer speeches. Search longer speeches on Gotranscript guidelines. Files are always transcribed in American English unless a client states otherwise. Are is a linking verb. This is the correct answer. The correct pronoun here is the word your. Gotranscript audio test.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
Hi, this is Christine. I'm interviewing Steve about a property line dispute he's having with one of our neighbors. Steve, how are you doing tonight?
I am frustrated, frazzled, bedazzled, and worn out.
Well, I'm very sorry to hear that. Would you like to just tell us in brief what the issue is with the property line dispute?
Well, the new owner of the property wants to build a wall too close to my buildings and undercutting the property line with this trench, and ultimately was going to want to try to get us to pay for half of the construction, which would be about $7,500.
Wow. In your opinion, can you summarize your position here?
This is a pain in the butt. I'm making more changes because he's saying what is an offer of payment, that he's saying that the biggest issue will be the decreasing the value of the property.
Right.
So that's not from Frank's standpoint, that is from the lawyer's standpoint.
Okay.
And so Frank is correct on that. This is about the 20 millionth revision of this document so far, which is, you can be point I'm eating up paper like crazy here.
So what is the minimum number of inches away from our property line that you would like that trench to be built?
6 inches from the garage, which is where his survey line is, and no digging on our side of that survey line at all.
Okay. And do you think that he's going to go along with that, or is it going to be an uphill battle in court involving thousands of dollars?
Tens of thousands of dollars.
Oh dear, let's hope not, because then I wouldn't be able to get that Toyota Prius I've been wanting to get.
I'll just get you a Lego Prius.
Okay. And how much is this stressing you out for all our Gotranscript potential transcribers?
Immeasurably.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
In integer numbers or any other numbers?
On a scale of 1 to 50,000.
Okay, 4,999.
Oh, well, that's not as bad as it could have been then, I guess.
Wait, that's almost 50,000.
Well, 4,000 something is not almost 50,000,
Well, compared to one, it is.
I guess, unless you're talking about, what's that game where you would guess, was it The Price
Yeah,
is
the
Right, where you couldn't go over the amount, so as long as you were
have to
under
be
it?
under the amount and as close to the amount as possible to
Okay.
win.
And do you happen to remember the name of the current host of The Price is Right?
Drew Carey.
Very good. And that will carry us to the end of our interview, so thank you very much.
Okay.
Would you like to say anything to potential Gotranscript transcribers?
Go, transcript.
Thank you.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.